Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Way to Ageless, your destination for all things health, wellness, and longevity. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic: fermented vegetables. In this episode, we'll explore what they are, who should include them in their diet, the science of prebiotics and probiotics, and the amazing health benefits they offer. Plus, I've got 3 quick and delicious fermented vegetable recipes to share with you. So, let's get started. So, what exactly are fermented vegetables? Well, they're a culinary wonder that's been part of traditional diets worldwide for centuries. Fermented vegetables are essentially veggies that have undergone a natural process called lactofermentation. This involves submerging vegetables in a brine solution that encourages the growth of beneficial bacteria, primarily lactic acid bacteria. These bacteria convert the sugars in vegetables into lactic acid, preserving the veggies while giving them that distinctive tangy flavor. Now, you might be wondering, who should eat fermented vegetables, and when is the best time to include them in your diet? The great news is that fermented vegetables can benefit people of all ages. They're especially valuable for people with digestive issues. If you struggle with bloating, constipation, or other digestive discomforts, fermented vegetables can provide much-needed relief by promoting a balanced gut microbiome. Anyone looking to boost their immune system? Did you know that a significant portion of your immune system resides in your gut? Consuming fermented vegetables can help strengthen your immune response. Those interested in weight management, fermented vegetables can be a game changer for weight management because they promote a sense of fullness and enhance nutrient absorption. Vegans and vegetarians, for those following plant-based diets, fermented vegetables are a source of vitamin B12, which can often be lacking in their diet. One of the most exciting aspects of fermented vegetables is that they contain both prebiotics and probiotics, the dynamic duo for gut health. Prebiotics are like the food for the beneficial bacteria in your gut. Fermented vegetables contain natural prebiotics that nourish these friendly microorganisms, promoting their growth. Probiotics, on the other hand, are live beneficial bacteria that support a balanced gut microbiome. The lactofermentation process in vegetables leads to the growth of various probiotic strains, such as lactobacillus and bifidobacterium. Now, let's dive into the exciting part: the health benefits of fermented vegetables. There are at least 6 compelling reasons to include them in your diet. Improved gut health. The live probiotics in fermented vegetables help maintain a balanced gut microbiome, which is essential for optimal digestion and overall well-being. Enhanced nutrient absorption. Fermentation breaks down complex nutrients in vegetables, making them more accessible to your body. This improves the absorption of vital vitamins and minerals. Immune system support. A strong immune system starts with a healthy gut microbiome. Consuming fermented vegetables can help fortify this critical relationship. Weight management. Thanks to their fiber and probiotics, fermented vegetables can promote a sense of fullness and enhance metabolism, making them a valuable tool for weight management. Better mental health. The gut-brain connection is well established. A balanced gut microbiome can positively impact your mood and mental well-being. Anti-inflammatory effects. Fermented vegetables contain anti-inflammatory compounds that may help reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Are you ready to dive into the world of fermented vegetables in your own kitchen? I've got 3 quick and delicious recipes to get you started. Classic sauerkraut. All you need is cabbage and salt. Shred the cabbage, massage it with salt, and pack it into a clean, airtight jar. Leave it at room temperature for a few days to ferment. You'll love the results. Kimchi. If you're a fan of spicy flavors, try making your own kimchi. You'll need Napa cabbage, Korean red pepper flakes, garlic, ginger, and a touch of fish sauce, or soy sauce for a vegan version. Mix the ingredients, pack them into a jar, and let it ferment for a few days. It's a fiery and fantastic Korean favorite. Pickled mixed vegetables. For a quick and crunchy snack, slice some carrots, cucumbers, bell peppers, and onions. Add dill, a water and vinegar solution, and pack it all into a jar. Pop it in the fridge, and in no time, you'll have a refreshing and flavorful treat. That's a wrap on our journey into the world of fermented vegetables. I hope you're as excited as I am to incorporate these healthy and delicious creations into your daily meals. Remember, a healthy gut is the foundation of a healthy life. Until next time, stay ageless and take care.